There's a new global race underway, not for space but for the future of how we move on land, air and water. The US, long a leader in transport, now faces fierce competition from China, which is rapidly rolling out sci-fi level mobility tech at scale. This rivalry, supercharged by AI and electrification, is pushing both countries and the world into a new era of bold engineering. We're about to count down the most groundbreaking new transport technologies, from swimming cars to flying taxis, and see what they reveal about the future of mobility. Let's dive in. Meet the BYD Yangwang U8, an electric SUV that can literally float and move through water in emergencies. Its independent wheel drive system allows it to spin 360 degrees, perfect for off-roading. This showcases Chinese automakers' ambition. Features like aquatic mode and tank turn set a new benchmark for luxury SUVs, pushing global competitors to rethink what's possible. BYD is innovating at the core. The U8 proves the future is about radical new capabilities. Traffic jams? China's Wuhan SkyTrain offers a futuristic fix. Suspended from above, this unmanned aerial monorail glides over city streets, freeing up ground space and slashing construction costs. Fully autonomous, it delivers frequent, efficient service and panoramic city views. It's a model for urban mobility worldwide. The SkyTrain shows China's ability to execute massive, high-tech infrastructure projects. It's a blueprint for more efficient city transport. The future of urban transit might just be above our heads. Imagine summoning a flying taxi with your phone. No pilot needed. The Ehang 216S is a fully electric, autonomous two-seater drone taxi already certified and flying in China. 16 independent propellers and ground-based monitoring make it safe and scalable for urban air travel. Just get in and go. This is a leap toward three-dimensional city transport, bypassing traffic and slashing travel times. China is racing ahead, aiming to fill its skies with autonomous air taxis. The future of commuting could be airborne sooner than you think. The Neo ET9 is a luxury EV packed with advanced tech. Its intelligent chassis can shake off snow and water. The active suspension delivers a smooth ride. Built on a 900-volt architecture, it supports fast charging and battery swaps. Neo's innovations solve real-world problems. The ET9 is a statement that Chinese automakers are out-innovating legacy brands. It's redefining luxury sedans. Childhood dreams realized. The Lazarus LMV 496 transforms from motorcycle to hoverbike. Wheels fold out, revealing jet turbines for liftoff. A real working prototype, part electric, part jet-powered. A limited edition toy. It's a proof of concept. The LMV 496 shows what's possible when chasing bold ideas. It inspires engineers to think bigger. It pushes the boundaries of personal mobility. GAC's Gov concept reimagines the flying car with a modular twist. The passenger pod detaches from its ground chassis and docks with a drone for flight. No need to carry heavy flight gear on the road. Both ground units and air units are fully autonomous, promising seamless city-to-sky travel. This system-level approach could solve many engineering headaches of integrated flying cars. GAC even envisions mid-flight recharging via drone docking. It's a bold vision for urban air mobility, tackling not just vehicles but the entire ecosystem. The future of flying cars might be modular. The Flyer, backed by Google's Larry Page, aims to make personal flight easy. This single-seater, all-electric craft is joystick-controlled and designed for anyone, no pilot's license needed. Classified as an ultralight, it's meant for short, recreational hops over water. 10 propellers provide safety and its lightweight design keeps things simple. The Flyer proved that flight can be democratized, inspiring a new wave of personal aviation. Sometimes the future is about making flight feel like play. Meet the Zoox Robo-Taxi, Amazon's vision for urban ride-hailing. Symmetrical and bidirectional, it eliminates the need for U-turns and maximizes efficiency in tight city spaces. The carriage-style interior is social and spacious, with no steering wheel or manual controls. Packed with cameras, radar and LiDAR, it sees 360 degrees and navigates complex environments safely. Designed from scratch for autonomy, Zoox could revolutionize both ride-sharing and last-mile delivery. Amazon's entry signals a serious push toward a driverless, on-demand future. The robotaxi era is closer than you think. Not all innovation is flashy, sometimes it's practical. The Raptor by Roytech is a three-wheeled, modular electric scooter for urban life. Attach a seat for commuting, swap in a cargo box for deliveries. The platform adapts to your needs. Small, stable, and zero emission, it's perfect for crowded cities and short trips. The Raptor embodies the micro-mobility trend: efficient, flexible, and sustainable. It's a simple idea with big potential to make city living greener and easier. Sometimes the best solutions are the most adaptable. The Redroid Kanguro from the University of Tokyo transforms into a mobility scooter. In robot mode, it follows you and carries items. When ready, it morphs into a rideable scooter. Advanced AI and sensors enable navigation and adaptation. It's a glimpse into a future where devices are companions. Still a research project, it points to seamless machine integration into daily life. The Xpeng X3 is a flying car that's actually designed to be a real car first. With the press of a button, foldable arms with 8 propellers extend for vertical takeoff. When not flying, it's a compact, comfortable EV for the road. Xpeng's mobile support platform handles charging and maintenance, addressing infrastructure challenges head-on. The X3 is a serious, well-funded effort to make flying cars mainstream. It's not just about the vehicle, it's about building the ecosystem. The dream of a roadable aircraft is closer than ever. The Jump Aero JA1 is an electric VTOL built for one thing: saving lives. Designed for first responders, it can reach rural emergencies at over 250 miles per hour, bypassing traffic and tough terrain. All electric and quiet, it's ideal for residential areas. Intuitive controls let paramedics fly it safely under pressure. The JA1 augments ambulances, delivering help when every second counts. It's a powerful example of tech solving real societal problems. Sometimes innovation is about saving lives, not just convenience. The Shane electric concept car challenges everything you know about cars. It has just 2 wheels. Using gyroscopes and accelerometers, it self-balances like a Segway, offering extreme maneuverability and a tiny footprint. The parallel wheel design lets it turn on a dime and fit in impossibly small spaces. It's a radical rethink of urban transport. Why 4 wheels when 2 will do? Even if it never hits mass production, it pushes designers to question old assumptions. Sometimes, less really is more. Toyota's Concept iWalk is a compact, 3-wheeled mobility device with built-in AI. Controlled by joystick or autonomously, it's designed for sidewalks and pedestrian zones. The onboard AI, UE, communicates with the rider and helps navigate tricky situations. Sensors make it safe in crowded areas, and it even projects signals to nearby pedestrians. It's about inclusive, intelligent mobility for all ages and abilities. Toyota is thinking beyond cars, exploring smarter, smaller ways to move. The future of mobility is personal, smart, and accessible. The Honda Moto Compacto is an electric scooter that folds into a briefcase-sized package. Perfect for first and last mile trips, it's ultra-portable, charges quickly, and is easy to carry anywhere. Designed for short urban journeys, it's practical and fun and affordable. Sometimes, the best innovation is simple and accessible. The Moto Compacto proves you don't need a flying car to revolutionize city life. Clever design can solve everyday problems. Sometimes, small is mighty. Yamaha's Motoroid is an AI-powered motorcycle that recognizes its owner. It balances itself and can be summoned with a wave. It'll even drive over autonomously. Self-balancing tech and haptic feedback create a new bond between rider and machine. It's a research platform for the future of motorcycles. Motoroid challenges what riding means, blending AI and robotics. The future of motorcycles could be as much about intelligence as speed. Honda's Uni-1 is a self-balancing hands-free mobility device that merges movement with augmented reality. Wear a headset, and your commute becomes an interactive experience. Navigation, games, or education overlaid on the real world. Designed for indoor spaces, it turns travel into entertainment and information. The Uni-1 is about making mobility an experience, not just a means to an end. Vehicles are becoming platforms for digital content. The future of movement is immersive. The hydrofoil jet ski flyway is an all-electric watercraft that lifts above the waves on hydrofoils. By reducing drag, it's faster, smoother, and has a longer range than traditional jet skis. The ride is silent and emission-free, making it eco-friendly and thrilling. It's a leap forward for water sports, blending speed, efficiency, and style. Advanced fluid dynamics and electric power reinvent a classic recreational vehicle. The future of fun on the water is flying, literally. Sometimes the coolest ride is above the surface. The InMotion V14 is a high-performance electric unicycle for adventurous commuters. With powerful motors and suspension, it handles city streets and off-road trails alike. Mastering it takes practice, but riders describe it as floating through the city. Minimalist, nimble, and portable, It's the ultimate micro-mobility device for thrill seekers. The V14 proves there's no one-size-fits-all for urban transport. Sometimes the best way to move is on one wheel. Origo's autonomous pods envision a future of on-demand self-driving transport for people and cargo. Operating 24/7 in campuses, airports, or towns, these electric pods are summoned by app and optimized by AI. Passenger versions and cargo versions adapt to different needs, all within a closed-loop sustainable ecosystem. Pods communicate to avoid congestion and maximize efficiency. It's mobility as a service, no ownership, just seamless, eco-friendly rides. Origo's vision is a holistic, renewable-powered transport network. The future of local mobility is shared, smart, and autonomous. From swimming SUVs to flying bikes and AI-powered pods, the future of mobility is more diverse than ever. The US-China rivalry is accelerating innovation, forcing everyone to think bigger and move faster. These aren't just gadgets, they're reshaping how we live, work, and connect. The lines between cars, drones, and robots are blurring, creating a new ecosystem of movement. Which of these technologies excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more on the future of transport and tech. Thanks for watching.